In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gradient background in Elementor. We'll walk through this step by step, so even if you're new to Elementor or WordPress, you'll be able to follow along easily and get a nice professional looking gradient on your site. First, open your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main menu. Look for the Elementor option in that menu. Hover your mouse over Elementor, and from the options that appear, choose the editor. This will open up the Elementor interface. Once you're in the editor, move your attention to the top right corner. There, you'll see an option called Edit Site. Go ahead and click that to start editing the global design of your website. Now that you're in the site editor, look to the top left corner of the screen. You should see the Elementor icon. Click on that icon to open the main Elementor panel. From the drop-down that appears, select Site Settings. This is where you control global styles, so changes here will affect your entire website, not just a single page. Inside Site Settings, look for the option labeled Background and click it. On the right side of this panel, you'll see different background types. Choose the gradient icon to enable a gradient background. You'll now see controls for your gradient colors. Start by clicking the color swatch next to the first color option. This opens the color picker where you can choose your first gradient color. Once you've selected a color, adjust its location using the slider. This position determines where that color starts or how much space it takes up in the gradient. Next, set your second gradient color. Again, click the second color swatch, pick a color from the color picker, and adjust its location with the slider. Take a moment to experiment with different combinations until the blend between the two colors feels smooth and matches your site's style. You can also choose the gradient type, such as linear or radial, and then adjust the angle. Changing the angle will shift the direction of the gradient, for example, from top to bottom, left to right, or diagonally. As you make these adjustments, keep your eye on the live preview in the center of the screen. This lets you see exactly how your gradient background looks on your site in real time. Once you're happy with how everything looks, go to the bottom of the left panel and click Save Changes. This will apply your new gradient background across your site.